Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share how to apply liquid lipstick, sharing some crucial do's and don'ts so you can master the application like a pro. So grab your favorite shades because this is a video you don't want to miss. First off, let's talk about the do's of applying liquid lipstick. These tips will ensure a flawless and long-lasting finish. So let's get started. Prepping and priming your lips is key. Begin by exfoliating your lips by gently with a lip scrub. Removing any dry skin, then apply a hydrating lip balm to create a smooth canvas. Use a lip liner that matches the shade of your liquid lipstick. This will prevent feathering and make your lips look more defined. Outline the natural shape of your lips following the cupid's bow and the corner of your mouth. When it comes to applying the liquid lipstick itself, start from the center of your lips and work your ways outwards. This ensures an even distribution of color and prevents any patchiness. Blotting is crucial. Once you applied the liquid lipstick, use a tissue to gently blot off any excess product. This step helps to set the liquid lipstick, making it more matte and long-lasting. Now that we've covered the do's, let's dive into the most common mistakes people make when it comes to liquid lipstick. It's time to learn what not to do. Avoid applying multiple layers of liquid lipstick. This can lead to thickness and clumping, resulting in a less desirable finish. Remember, a little goes a long way. Don't press your lips together immediately after application. Liquid lipsticks take time to dry completely. Pressing your lips together too soon can ruin the texture and consistency of the product, leaving you with uneven color. Stay away from gloss or lip balm over liquid lipstick. Liquid lipsticks are designed to be long-lasting and matte. Adding gloss or lip balm on top can cause feathering and reduce the staying power of the lipstick. Lastly, avoid eating greasy or oily foods while wearing liquid lipstick. The oil can break down the formula, causing it to smudge or fade. Instead, opt for a non-greasy snacks and drink to keep your lipstick intact. And there you have it, the do's and don'ts of liquid lipstick application. With these tips in mind, you'll rock your pout and turn heads wherever you go. Remember, practice makes perfect, so go ahead and experiment with colors. Find your signature shade and confidently embrace the power of liquid lipstick. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more beauty secrets and makeup tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.